The Rabby Wallet has made a name for itself in the crypto world over the past few months. Through regular updates, high user friendliness and excellent overview and evaluation options, the Rabby Wallet is steadily climbing in user numbers. In this video, we'll not only look at the benefits, but also show you how to install and use the wallet. Directly compared to MetaMask, Rabby offers many advantages. This includes, among other things, the automatic recognition of tokens and the chain used by your platform. You get a live overview of your finances within the wallet and can see directly where and on which platform you have assets and how much. This gives you an overview that you can only achieve with MetaMask using other tools, providing you with the optimal basis for setting up and evaluating analysis. There are many other differences as well, such as the ability to obtain gas tokens and other chains for a fee in case you want to switch to Arbitrum and don't have any tokens there yet. This saves you time and is much safer than relying on other providers. Additionally, you can see all approvals for token limits in the wallet, all your NFTs and transactions, including incoming ones. Rabby is just as user-friendly as MetaMask, making it an ideal alternative. But first, let's get into how to install Rabby. First, we need to go to Rabby's official website. Make sure you use the official link. We've also linked it in the video description below. Click on the download for your browser button and then on add in the top right corner. Next, confirm the browser pop-up and you've added Rabby. Now we need to add the wallet itself. Click on the Rabby icon in your browser bar and you'll be greeted with an info screen. You can read through it and click next. Now you'll see many options for integrating existing wallets. These can be mobile wallets or existing seed phrases if you already have them. But we'll just create a new wallet now. Click on Create a new seed phrase. Set the password to secure your wallet. You need to enter this every time you close the browser and want to access your wallet. Click Next. Now we come to the seed phrase. As with MetaMask, it's crucial not to show or share these words with anyone. These words give anyone full access to your wallet and allow them to interact just like you. You can see this illustrated in this screenshot. Click on Show Seed Phrase and continue. Here you'll see the words you can use to restore your wallet in case of emergency. Note these down, preferably not on a digital device, and store them somewhere only you have access to. Click I've saved the phrase. Now you'll see an overview of several wallets. Creating a new seed phrase in Rabby automatically creates multiple wallets for you. You can now select which and how many wallets you want to integrate directly. Of course, you can change this later as well. Select the wallets you want to use and you're done. If you're already used one of the wallets, for example when adding existing wallets, you can see information like wallet balances in the right column of the table. Clicking on Addresses in Rabby shows you the wallets you've already added. Click Done to continue. Now you can use the wallet normally. To connect the wallet to a website, usually clicking the MetaMask icon is enough if the Rabby logo isn't present. A useful feature is that you can choose which wallet to use if you also installed and set up MetaMask. Just click this small button here and select Flip. You've now set up the wallet and want to add assets for the first time. To do this, you need to connect to the respective site. Pay attention to the website's authenticity. Choose the desired product and pool. Select the token you have in your wallet and enter the amount you want to invest. Confirm the transaction in the wallet itself and you're done. Now you're already earning rewards. All in all, Rabby is a very good and user-friendly alternative to MetaMask. You get many overviews for analysis purposes, the wallet is clearly laid out and super easy to use. Let us know which wallet you currently use and which you find best. That's all from me on the Rabby wallet. I hope you have a great day or evening, depending on when you're watching this video. Yours, Benjamin.